Recording?
Yeah.
Okay, what's up, guys? As you can see, the front yard's a mess. Look over there. Front yard's a mess. And today, I'm gonna chop all this wood that's right here.
But first, here's my girl.
Told you
Get
not to do that.
video. So now my brother is gonna pick up that sharp thing. I don't know what
Hatchet.
I don't know what that shirt is, but okay. Oh, that's a big hit.
And then if you need, guys, if you need to do this, you just need to go like this with a regular axe too. Do this, go like this over your head and slide down when you're coming down. As you can see, my hands are like this when I'm holding it. It's not like this, not like this.
If you drop it on your toe, it will cut your toe off. So be extremely careful. And make sure, if you have a baby
Look, right.
brother, make sure your baby brother doesn't put it in his mouth. Because that will make a huge cut into his mouth. And we don't want that to happen.
Guys, look, okay, put it on the wood. Okay,
Wait,
guys.
Mark, it'd be like this.
Hold on. Oh, fudge.
What?
Hold on, guys. Let me set you on a tripod. It's not gonna work, Ange. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Anyway.
Mark, guess what? Next video, we're going to be doing a horse rodeo.
We're perfect. We're perfect. Right here's perfect. Okay.
And I'm just going to ride my horse around.
Okay, guys. Here we go.
That was a big hit for big, strong Mark. Guys, today's fact is girls have more force in their lower bodies than their upper bodies. That's today's fact. Right, Mark?
Yeah. No, wait. Hold on, Ange.
Because my brother,
Has stronger upper
Mark?
body.
Mark, tell them what you're going to next year. Tell them what you're going to next year.
High school.
Woo! High school!
She's going to second grade.
Yeah. I'm going to second grade because I'm just in first and I'm 7! What's up, boy? And if you didn't know, Mark, tell them your birthday.
You're not supposed to do that.
Why?
Because people don't tell anybody your age, where you're from, or where you live. All the kids out there. Okay? I tell you guys my age. I never tell you my address.
My brother is 14.
You know that already.
Oh. You guys know that already because I didn't know. And if you want to see my brother's new bike, skip this video and go to the new one we're making, but we didn't make that one yet. So stay tuned.
I know.
Mark, what's your channel called?
No, Ange, we're still recording.
Mark,
So, guys. So, I'm going to tell you guys in the next... Ange, come do the outro with me.
the outro?
Yes.
The next video. So guys, if you did not know,
Wait.
next video.
Wait. Guys, if you don't know, hit the big red button that says subscribe and hit the notification bell. Then every time I post a video, you will be able to go right away, and every single video, I comment on your videos, and I said to one of the viewers on my old channel that you guys are amazing. And she's gonna get her own channel next year, so go after this, go subscribe to her. So
And guess what, guys? Next
wait,
video,
I'll do it.
We
We are gonna show off our new bikes and all that.
and we're gonna be doing a rodeo with our bikes. So it's gonna be amazing. So go check that like button and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye.
And wait, you have to go like this. Smash the like button in the face. Like there's no other God in the world. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.